Welcome to RidgeLife, I'm Tim, and today we're at the log home build site and we are under attack. Attack by army worms. They say if you've got a few army worms, just in a square foot or so, you've got a problem. Well, we have got more than a few. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, just 9 that I can see. If you get, look at it, look, oh man, there's all over our yard here, just crawling and taking care of this grass, eating it up. We have got to remedy this situation before we lose the north side of our property. To combat those army worms, we're going to use Carbyrl 4L. This is like the liquid version of Sevin dust. I know a lot of you use Sevin on your gardens to take care of all those insects. Well, Carbyrl 4L is the chemical in Sevin. This is a liquid version, a generic if you will. You get it from a co-op or a farm ag store. 2.5 gallons will treat a lot of acres for army worms. And it treats all kinds of insects, chiggers and ticks. So we're going to get rid of a bunch of things today. Now guys, I did find army worms in the Ridge farmhouse lawn as well. So down here at the log home build site, we had like 12 worms per square foot. Up there, we've only got like 3 or 4. So we're going to catch that ahead of time. The grass can stay green. Down here, it's almost all brown, but we're going to get rid of what we can to keep the rest of it from turning brown as well. So guys, make sure when you're working with chemicals, you wear safety goggles, wear latex or rubber gloves, keep yourself safe. I don't want you getting hurt. And to apply our Carbyrl 4L, we're going to use a 30-gallon tank sprayer. I'm going to tow this behind the ATV. And I'm gonna mix 2 to 4 quarts, again, per acre, 2 to 4 quarts mixed in with our 30 gallons. I got 1 acre on this side and 1 acre on that side. And then we'll go to the Ridge farmhouse, and I probably won't take you on that ride, but I'll show you out here. We're gonna take you along for a ride, do a little time lapse of us spraying it all down, taking care of these armyworms. So let's get it done. I'm gonna clean off my container, make sure I don't get anything down inside of it, any kind of brush or foreign material to get caught up in the pump. Don't want to do that. Once you get that cleaned up, I want to make sure that I fill the tank about half full, 2/3 with water. That way I'm not creating a lot of foam when the chemical mixes with the water. If I just put the chemical in first, oh, it'd froth and foam up. Now guys, there's another little trick to killing armyworms. Dawn dishwashing detergent. Just a little bit of Dawn dishwashing detergent. When it touches an army ant or armyworm, man, it takes them out. So at the very end, I'm gonna put some Dawn in here. Very small concentration, maybe just an ounce or 2. Do it at the end so it doesn't foam up. It's just soap. And it will just be one more thing to take care of them armyworms. So let me get this about half full. We'll get 2 to 4 quarts of there into here and a little bit of Dawn. Start spraying. Tank's half full and ready. We've got our Carbyrl 4L shaken up. I'm gonna do 3 quarts to this 30 gallons. So I've got 8-ounce measuring cup here, and it's 32 ounces to a quart. I'm gonna do 3 quarts. So 8 will go into 32 4 times. So 3 times 4 is 12. So I need 12 of these in here to get our proper dose. So I got my goggles on. I've got my gloves on. Again, it looks like chocolate milk here, doesn't it? 1. Whoa, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12, all right, so we got that all good. And I'm gonna be using this at the our property here in just a little bit. So now, I'll go ahead and finish filling this up, and then I'm gonna add some, I've got some generic Dawn. I'm gonna add a couple ounces of this just to top it off. Got our generic Dawn. Again, just a couple ounces of that, few ounces into there. That will top that off with some clean water all the way to the top. And we will be ready to eradicate some armyworms. Well, there was 1 acre. I've got about another acre to go, so I'll fill this back up and do it again. But I can already see them pesky armyworms starting to curl up. The ones that were out and got directly sprayed, they just started to curl up. So any other ones that come out towards as the sun goes down, they come out in morning and evening, it seems like. And when they come in contact with this Carbyrl 4L, they will shrivel up and die just like that. So we are excited that these guys are gone. I can still see a few of them moving, but they won't be moving long. So until next time, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to RidgeLife, please take time to do so now. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife. You can see them writhing and reeling. They do not like getting sprayed, and they are dying, dying, dying. And I am happy for it. So good riddance, you nasty army worms.